If you have messy data in Excel and want to convert it into a clean and readable format, then in this video we will learn how to organize messy data step by step. First of all, bring all your data into a single column. Bring all your data into a single column. If your data have multiple columns, this shortcut key cannot be work. So then press shortcut key Alt A E. First of all, select all your data and press this shortcut key Alt A E. You can see that convert text to column tab is open. So first of all, select these delimited options and now preview of selected data you can see. So click on next and delimiter just select comma because our data is separated with commas, so other options cannot be selected. So apply and click on next. Column data format, just select journal format and destinations is this and simply finish. Now you can see that your data converts into rows and column. Next, we will adjust the row height according to the data by pressing Alt HOA. So first of all, select all data, Control A. So first of all, select all data, Control A and press shortcut key to adjust row height, Alt HOA. Your data rows height is adjusted. Now you can press column auto fit, apply shortcut key Alt HOI. Your column width is automatically adjusted. Okay, so the next shortcut key, apply borders Alt HBA. Your all data is automatically apply border. Now your text center align by data processing Alt H A C. Your all data is center align by using this shortcut key. Finally, convert your data into a professional Excel table format by pressing Ctrl T and simply OK. Now you can see that your data is fully professional and readable format. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel.